I'm Nadia, and this is monthly horoscope for Virgo. Within this period, the Sun will enter your first house, and it means that now it's a good time to access your personal achievements, personal quality, and personal worth. It's good time to acquire knowledge of self, to aware your true nature and the real purpose of your life. During this time, you will feel your strong inner willpower and self-assurance that you can reach any your goals, and such self-confidence will add additional strengths to your personality, and at the same time help you to improve your image and self-esteem, and finally will make you not only to believe in yourself but to start to be proud of your personal achievements. This transit of Sun through your first house will give you additional energy to develop your natural leadership qualities. Energy of Sun will make you to be more brave, more competitive, more confident in your actions. You will be very business oriented with a capability for seizing opportunities, and you should not suppress your inner impulse to reach new heights. If you want to take advantage of this positive potential of this transit, you need to become more self-determined and self-sufficient and demonstrate your strengths and confidence. You need to work more efficiently, showing the best qualities of your personality. All these moments will help you to carve your own path to success, achieve your personal goals, and attract correct people and impress them. Negative side of this transit of Sun through your first house will be associated with overestimation of your personal qualities and competitiveness and arrogance. And such traits can prevent others from seeing your positive traits. Moreover, because of such personal intractability, it will be difficult to find compromise even with yourself. That's why you should be mindful with your inflated self-esteem and disordered self-image within the cycle of the year.